Hello, my name is Catarina Sanchez, and in this video I'm going to talk about the things I have changed since I was a little girl. So, in first picture, I was 3 years old. When I was 3 years old, my hair was short and black. I was brunette skin and I was very fatty and chubby shaped. I like to play with my friends, I like to play with my dolls, and I like to play the other children. When I was 3 years old, my mom told me stories before sleeping, and I loved it. I loved to wear dress. I like to have my birthdays celebrate with piñatas, and I like to eat a lot of cake. Okay. In the next picture, I was 6 years old. When I was 6 years old, I always played with my friends and my cousin. I always shared with my cousin, and I was taller than them. Now my cousin, the name Luis, is taller than me and much thinner and also younger and even more at the school. Okay. When I was 9 years old, my mom celebrated my birthdays with my friends from school. I have a little longer straight and black hair. I was in elementary school and I like to play with my friends. I like reading, I like drawing and painting, and I love to make brands in my hair. In this picture, I was 13 years old. When I was 13 years old, I was in the school band music, and I like to play lyre. Next. In this picture, I went 15 years old. When I was 15 years old, I have braces. My hair was longer and black, and in this picture I was celebrate college graduation. When I was 16 years old, my braces were removed. I went to university and started study dentistry. Currently, I am 18 years old and I am in 4th semester. I like to share with my friends, I like to share with my family, I like to go to the movies. I am responsible and cheerful, and I really like my career and my university. Currently, and I don't play with any toys. Currently, I am short, my hair is black and long, I have brown eyes, my hair is browned, and I have some moles on my face. Now I have to wear glasses because I am short-sighted. I really like play tennis, going to cinema with my friends, with my boyfriend. I like sleeping, I like reading, I like drawing, I like travel, I like to cook and learn mountains. I like the dolls because are friendly. I like fruits, I like chocolate, I love macadamia ice cream, I like pasta and pizza. And the things I can do now is go from home alone to study. Now I can live alone. I am more independent, and I have always liked to be very organized, and know that I live a lot, I must be ever more. I can go out more with my friends. I have to wake up early every morning. I must make my breakfast and my dinner. I must answer for my career in my notes, and save money for my things. A new responsibility that I have is to be ordered with my things. I must be ordered with my uniform, organized with my time to study, to rest, and also look for my patients for my internship, because I study dentistry, which is a career that requires responsibility, patience, and more dedication. Okay, this is all. Thanks for attention. Bye.